Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. I don't know if anyone unboxed these things previously, but I just bought it because we are not getting this in this price nowadays. And I wanted a RAM, to be honest, so I bought it. So this one is opened already. Let's just open it. So I bought this for 650 rupees, which was the MRP back then. Okay, let me just pull everything out. It comes with a car, and the car doesn't have much. Okay, some rubber bands. Oh my god, this video is going to take some time, it seems. Okay, let me just put this box aside, nothing to show on the box. Okay, so this one is actually a 3-speed launcher. Okay, how do you do that? Okay, it has 2 tracks. I don't know if it is like. Okay, so these are the pieces that comes with this one. This is actually a launcher. I don't know if you're just going to. Okay, and then I guess you just need to press it here. Yeah, that is right. Oh my god, I'm not able to. I don't think I will be able to launch it here within this confined space, but let's see. So here is the car. This is a fantasy car as usual, and it has metal chassis. So it has no detailing at all. A little bit of livery here, like shark tooth, but that's it. Nothing big here. Okay, let me just. So this is supposed to be that that back kind of thing which stands on the top. There's a lot of stickers and all. Let me. Okay, so I think I can only assemble the ramp as of now, so that's why I actually bought it. Okay, okay, we need to put tape adjustable ramp. So the ramp is adjustable. I think we can use it for our roll test now. Let's see. I want to see how we are going to connect those two tracks. It says track section. Okay, I get it. Nothing else is on the back. Okay, let's see. So this is just cardboard, if you ask me. Honestly, for 600, this is not worth it. It is just bunch of stickers and okay. Okay, the tracks doesn't have the holes like this one has, which I'm having here. So I'm hoping that this will just slide in or not. Okay, the tracks are of same size. You got to give the instruction clear, right? Okay, let me just put this one first and see how this one enters. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward, so you can just put it here. That is nice to know, so that I can adjust the level while doing the roll test instead of keeping like this, and doesn't have any interruption in the track here. That is good. So I got something now that stays also in one place, which is also nice. Okay, now let me see. If this is the one which is supposed to go between the tracks. Well, hopefully, think that goes in. Yeah, Okay, this one is better than that one which I'm having. I don't know why they follow this with all the tracks. Let me just put this aside next to this one. Yeah, that looks genuinely nice and easy for me to just keep it here, permanently and adjust the level here. Wow, that is really a nice one. Let me just, yeah, that goes really well if you ask me. Okay, so I'm not going to do any of this. Don't mistake me for this, guys, but it is not about lot of work, but it is. I'm not going to keep rest of the things here, even the launcher I'm talking about. So I'm just going to keep rest of the things back in. So I'm just going to only test out the track and launcher maybe separately. But within this confined space, I can't able to launch anything. But let's see how we can do that, or if we can do that in this space. Let me just keep this aside for now. Okay, finally I put it in. Okay, oh my god. Okay, so this is a huge ass lancer, to be honest, and actually you can remove this part, but right now I'm not going to do anything since it already came assembled. I don't want to change that, so I want to see how fast it is going to go. Okay, I don't know if I can keep my hand here or something else. Okay, let's see. Holy shit, that is fast. Luckily, it didn't touch my hand. Okay, so I'm just taking this track out and let me see if this is going to change my worry. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'm not going to launch this in this space. I'm not going to break anything now in my home. So, but this is it. So this is how it works. You are supposed to connect this launcher on this side here of the track, and you just need to launch it so the car will just jump out of here. I'm not going to do that here again. I'm really sorry about that. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like it, hit the like button. If you love it, subscribe. Once again, thank you and have a great day. Goodbye.